Active packaging. Active packaging is used to improve the quality or safety of the product. The packaging responds to or controls the environment within the package, preventing unwanted changes from occurring. This can involve removing oxygen or water from the contents of the package. Oxygen scavenging. Plastic films have been used for many years to package fresh foods such as meat, cheese and fruit. Oxygen in the air causes reactions that spoil the food, which must be packed in an atmosphere that excludes oxygen. This is achieved by using an inert atmosphere such as nitrogen, or by vacuum packaging. These plastic films do allow some oxygen to pass through, however, causing the food to slowly spoil. Active packaging contains materials that will absorb any oxygen that enters the package. This process is called oxygen scavenging. Oxygen scavengers sometimes use the reaction between iron 2 compounds and oxygen. The iron 2 compound is in the form of a fine powder and is placed into a sachet inside the package. Alternatively, it could be incorporated into a layer within the packaging material. This reacts with any oxygen present to form an iron 3 compound. Oxygen scavenging. Thinking time. Why is a powdered iron 2 compound used? The powder has a high surface area. This will increase the rate at which oxygen is absorbed. Fruit, vegetables and bread. Fruit, vegetables and bread are spoilt by the growth of microbes and fungi. These thrive in moist conditions, causing the foods to spoil rapidly. Water vapour can be removed by intelligent packaging materials, prolonging shelf life.